Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss access modifiers. As the name suggests, it defines our access to the fields and methods of the class. So you might have noticed from the previous class that we have generated the accessors and mutators automatically. So you might have seen this word public in front of each method. Okay, so we have three types of access modifiers. The one that you have seen is public, the other one is protected, and the other one is private. Now you will see its use, that how can we use it and how it is beneficial. Okay, so you have already seen the public home. So let's first modify our code from the previous person class. So I will name that public, that one protected, and the next one private. And I will write public here in front of these two methods, and I will change it to protected, and the gender value to private. Okay guys, so now you will see that how can we access them. So now, as we have created a teacher object of the teacher class, so now you can see that $teacher, and you can see only three things here. As previously you might remember, you have seen all of the fields and its methods, but now you can see only three things here: set name and get name, and then the name field. Actually all of these are public. Here we have declared the name field public, we have declared the set name public, and we have declared the get name public. The set name public and the get name public. Actually that is the age method, sorry for that. Okay, so that's why you can see only this public method. So from this it is clear that you can see clear public methods and public variables anywhere in the class or throughout the object. So but now let's create. Okay, so let me okay, so you have already accessed it, and let's run this. It will create no problem for us. Test name. Okay, now let's create a method, and I will name it public function test it. So we will test all of our fields or access modifiers here in this class. For example, $this, and now you can see set name, get name, and the name value, which you already have seen through this teacher object. But now you can also see test it, which is this method, and now get age and the age field and the set age field. So you can see it that we have now the age, get age, and set age available here. So I will access this, So that's why, because it is protected. So it is clear from this that we can access protected properties inside the extended class. Okay, so for example, set age to 20 and then dollar this get age and echo. So now you will see the age. Okay, why is that? Okay, so we did not see the video because we haven't called this test method. So let's call this tested. So now we will see this video 20. So now you can see this video. So now it is clear that public value can be accessed anywhere and protected values can only be accessed through extended class or inside that class in which it is defined. Okay, so now you will let's test the private one. So you cannot see the private properties, but which is a gender or get gender and set gender. So let's manually type get gender and dollar so it out dollar this set gender. Okay, now actually I did it wrongly. You have to get out from here to here and this one up here. Okay, so now you can see that a member has private access, which means that you cannot access it, but we force that, so it will give us an error. You can see that on got error called to private method person set gender and context teacher. So it is a private method, so we cannot access these methods. Okay, so now it's clear. So play around with it and have a practice on it. Okay, so that's it for this class now. Okay, bye. Thanks.